Okay, people. We need this food ready yesterday. Chop, chop.
What do you call that? It tastes like puke. Make me another one.
Order's up! Excuse me. Okay, people. I need 3 goulash, 4 scallops, and 1 steak tartare. Oui, chef!
Occupied.
Chef, your cup run is over!
Watch the grill. Here.
Where's the calamari for table 17? It's for the President of Ireland. Do it myself.
Hey, buddy, I've got kids. You wouldn't leave them without a mama, would you?
Bit of a delay on the calamari, Mrs. President.
You're not focusing on what's important, Sam.
I'm sorry, little buddy.
Oh, please. Oh, don't take this personal, buddy.